Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are going down into the bunker that we have here in Lone Oak, Texas. Let's walk inside and take a look so you can see the beams. See this beam right here with the rebar going all the way up? That's reinforced because we're going to have an I-beam, a metal rebar that goes from one end to the other, just like here. That one and the one over in the corner. So what we will have is meeting up over on the other side. We'll have an I-beam that's coming in over the top of the structure and go all the way over. And every place that you see one is where our I-beams will be. You see? And why? Is because this is going to be a solid pour at the top of the ceiling. So this is not directly up under the house, which is what makes these so unique. When you're building these type of bunkers and they're away from the house, they have to be separately reinforced. You can see the footer, how tall that footer is for our slab. And then this long area right here going up to the door is going to be our entry point. So there will be stairs that are coming down from there after the pour. And I can't wait to show you what it looks like, because this is the first subdivision that's going to be built like this in Texas. Right here, you're going to be looking at our escape hatch that'll come out right in that open area here. And it'll be we'll build a metal tube for it to go out with a small set of stairs. So hidden entry points, hidden exit points. And we are today will be this will be the last day we're able to show you what the rebar looks like inside the forms. That's what you're looking at right now. You're seeing the steel that's in the middle, because once we put our panels up like here, they're not visible. So this is the last day that we'll have these out. So wanted to make sure that you got a chance to take a look at these. The only other thing I would like to show you is the special water stop that we use. You see that rubber material that's running in? It's right between the walls. That's called water stop. And usually it's a membrane that is pretty thin and it sticks up about 6 inches. Well, it doesn't, it fails often. And we don't want a failure. This type of material does not fail. So it swells up when water is entering. Once it's in the middle of the wall, it'll swell up. And once it swells up, it'll seal the cavity itself. And it's permanent, and it's never something that we would ever have to dig out and repair. Not like the other materials. So our method is still do it right the first time. So now that you've seen it, let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.